Hello everyone and welcome back to Rev Explorers. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. In today's video, we have with us Honda's adventure motorcycle, the Honda CB200X. Hero was ruling the 200cc adventure market for a very long time with Xpulse, and it was time for Honda to bring their own adventure motorcycle. The CB200X is the direct rival to the Xpulse 200. Special thanks to Pashankar Honda for providing us this motorcycle for the review. If you are looking for Honda products, you can visit their dealership on JM Road for the best offers. And if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you are never missing out any content from us. We are also present on Instagram, the handle will be right over here. Go ahead and check out our page and follow us there as well. Now let's begin with the review of the Honda CB200X. There is no denying the fact that the CB200X has been built over the Hornet. So it is a modified version of the Hornet to make it more adventurous, and that is why in the front you get to see a small black visor with LED headlights and knuckle guard mounted LED turn indicators. Just like on the Hornet, you get to see golden upside down forks on the CB200X as well, and at the rear is a monoshock. With that, the motorcycle gets 17-inch alloy wheels with a 110 by 70 section tire mounted in the front and a 140 by 70 section dual sport tire mounted in the rear. It gets 276mm disc brake in the front and a 220mm disc brake in the rear with a single channel ABS setup. From the side profile, it does carry some characteristics from the Hornet, but then this bulky semi-fairing in the front looks really good. It gets a 12-liter fuel tank and has a claim fuel efficiency of somewhere around 38 kmpl. The motorcycle is powered by a 184cc fuel-injected air-cooled motor which is mated with a 5-speed gearbox, and it delivers a maximum power of 17 PS at 8500 rpm and has a peak torque of 16 Nm at 6000 rpm. So the power and the torque both are on a lower side for an adventure motorcycle. I feel it is more of a tourer, but let's find out in the ride section how it performs. The motorcycle gets a split step-up seat and they are wide enough for the rider as well as the pillion. They are decently cushioned for a comfortable long ride. The complete motorcycle weighs 147 kgs and has a ground clearance of 167 mm, which is decent enough for your regular usage, but for an adventure motorcycle it seems to be low because it has to be somewhere around 190 to 200 mm to make it a good off-roader. The motorcycle gets a side-hung single barrel exhaust. Let's check out how it sounds. From the rear, it looks just like the Hornet with a X-shaped LED tail light and LED turn indicators. Now let's quickly hop onto the saddle. The saddle is decently padded. It is slightly on a stiffer side for making your long rides comfortable. Trust me on that. The saddle height is 810 mm. I am 5'9", I can easily get both of my feet on the ground, and if you are above 5'5", you can easily ride this motorcycle. Don't worry about the 810 seat height. Now let's check out the instrument cluster. So it is a negative backlit digital instrument cluster with a digital tachometer, digital speedometer, and then you have the fuel gauge as well as gear position indicator. With that you have multiple information like battery voltage, total kilometers, trip A, trip B and time. The indicators are over here. Now coming to the wide raised handlebar. On the right hand side you have the engine stop switch, then you have the hazard switch and the self start switch. On the left hand side you have the headlight control, the pass switch, the turn indicator control and the horn. So it gets a single toned horn which is decent enough for your highway usage as well as your city usage. The mirrors are also good. They are small enough but they have a curvature, so somewhat the blind spot is removed. Now it's time for us to take the CB200X on the city roads of Pune and see how it performs. And before you go on a ride, don't forget to wear your helmet and follow all road safety rules. Definitely the riding ergonomics are on a comfortable side, with wide raised handlebars, slightly raised at foot pegs, giving a straight posture, which is good for long tours. The seats are wide enough and cushiony for the rider as well as the pillion. However, the wind visor is small and the air drag can be felt directly on the body. The engine performance is similar to what we see on the Hornet 2.0. The power delivery is very linear, there is no aggressiveness or surge of power. The motorcycle is smooth and calm. Just like every other Honda engine, it is very refined and the vibrations are kept to the minimum. It has a good mid-range and a decent low-end punch. The motorcycle is more hesitant in the top revs and feels more like a tourer than an adventure motorcycle. Slight buzziness can be felt on the foot pegs and handlebar when trying to push the motorcycle to its limit. The 5-speed unit is very precise and gives a clicky feel every time it shifts. There are no problems of force neutral. In fact, the clutch is also very smooth and light, overall making this motorcycle traffic and city friendly. The brakes offer good confidence with the good bite. Both front and rear are equal contributors and both of them lack feedback. So if you press them, the bike will come to a halt, but the communication is missing. The ABS works really well and won't intrude unless required. Just like on the Hornet, the suspension on CB200X are stiff. The travel is low, due to which the ground clearance is also low, taking away the adventure capabilities from this motorcycle. The agility and stability are good. In fact, the feedback is also good, so much so that you can feel almost everything. I feel that Honda should slightly work on the suspensions to make it more usable for this segment. Right now, it's just Hornet with a mask of adventure tourer. There is no doubt that Honda's build quality and engine quality are supreme, but if we make this motorcycle stand against the Xpulse, it won't have a chance. The reason for that is Hero has made its Xpulse more customizable and versatile for the adventure genre, whereas this one still has a long way to go. Our ride with the CB200X has come to an end and this is a very good motorcycle. It is calm and refined just like the Hornet. In fact, it feels like Hornet while you're riding it. It's just that it is bulky and has an adventurous design. So if you like this motorcycle, you can get it too starting at 1.45 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell so you are never missing out any update from us. We are also present on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The handle will be right over here. Go ahead, check out our page and follow us there as well. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and ride safe. Bye-bye.